Hi there, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa. Remember, it's not correct to say drive crazily. We say drive crazy. If someone doesn't use his turn signals when he changes lanes, he drives crazy. Or you can say he drives erratically. There are a lot of people in big cities who drive erratically. They drive crazy. They don't use their turn signals when they change lanes, and it's not safe. What about your city? Do people drive erratically? Do they drive crazy? Good job. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and practice speaking English, check out the link in the description for more videos just like this one. Bye!